So today I rode my bike over to what I think is the best hardware store in Puerto Morelos. It's called Construrama Materiales Tauro. It's on the Colonia side of town. They have just about everything you need: tools, car parts, building supplies. Many of the items are kept in the back, so you simply tell the staff what you're looking for and they'll bring it out. And I put the exact location in the description below. So let's go take a look around. This one. ¿Eh? Thanks for watching all the way through. Until the next place.